some more of the Snake Mountain Trail. Quite a bit of it's pretty rocky and got big boulders and stuff, but you know, some of it's just regular timber riding. You know, like this here. It's you know, there's rocks there, but it's not anything major. They come and go. So yeah, it's a very, very beautiful place. It's really nice how well marked the trails are. They're color coded, and then lots and lots of these numbers, like what we're coming up to on this tree. So it's easy to know where you are, and the junctions are well marked. And when you're headed back, there's lots of signs that say to camp, and that's always a plus. When after a big ride on a hot day, it's nice to be able to get right back to camp. And they've done a really nice job of keeping the trails clear and safe, and all those markings and signs. And yeah, it's a really nice place to be. Wow, look at this. There's Susan and Dex in a really beautiful spot. Talamina Drive is back in the mountains there somewhere. We're on the number 4 trail, and this is Snake Mountain, and it is pretty fabulous. Got some pictures taken. There's Julie. Yeah, look at Doc posing. It's a very beautiful, beautiful place. We're on our way out to Emerald Vista today, taking trail number 5 most of the way from camp out there, and then seems like it was trail 7 takes us the rest of the way out there. Hey, Robin. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. A front went through last night, cooled off. It's going to be in the low 80s today, and yeah, really looking forward to a nice ride. It's been a little more rocky today than some of the other days that we rode. But yeah, looking forward to a really nice ride. Some more of Trail 5. We're down in the southern part of Trail 5. Where it heads east toward Emerald Vista, and it is certainly pretty here. It's steeper. We've ridden, well, I think we'll ride all of Trail 5 today, and most of 5 was flattish, some rocky spots and some cricks, and not completely flat, but now we're getting into some nice big hills, and it's really nice and beautiful breeze today. Just been a great day. we're on our way up to Emerald Vista on Trail 7. And they warned us it's a pretty good climb, and it is. It's not like super steep, dangerous or anything, but it is significantly uphill. But they've done a lot of this berming to keep any washouts from happening. And we hear that Emerald Vista is just super, super beautiful. And with it being shaded like this, you know, and having a little bit of a breeze, good day to do it. There were little water crossings on the way out, so our horses are well hydrated, and a good way to make a big climb like this. So we're still climbing up to Emerald Vista, and correction from earlier at the bottom of the bluff, we were at about 990, and we're up about 1750 so far. We've only ridden maybe 20 minutes, so we've come way up. And we've paused here, give the horses a blow. We're most of the way up, but yeah, it's pretty steep and kind of rocky, not terrible, but yeah, they told us it'd be a big pull to get up here, and it is. This is my kind of ride, and I like it. I suppose Robin's down here going, what? But anyway, we're gonna have lunch up there, and I guess we can tie up and walk up to the overlook. So pretty excited to get up there. So here's the camp at Cedar Lake. Nice pavilion over there. A shower house, got both restrooms and showers in it. Here's the campsites that we got, 1, 2, and 3 on the E loop. There's a mounting station here where just about anybody can get on their horse.